What's up, team? Today's day 216. Got out of work, had to stop at the house because I forgot my gym clothes here. You know, it happens. I was kind of rushing this morning because I woke up a little bit late. So, got my change of clothes. I guess I could change while I'm here and then just go. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the gym. Alright, team, we made it. So here's the thing. Today is a back and leg day. And my shoulders are killing me from yesterday still. So not looking forward to any of this stuff. And guy just scraped his bag along my back of my car. What the? Whatever. Yeah, and we all know that lat pull downs are a shoulder exercise, so my shoulders are gonna get a double workout. Plus all the handstands. Oh my god, I forgot all those. Those kill my shoulders. Guys, I'm gonna lose that skill event, I think. Let's just hope I can win some of the others. Alright, I'm tired. I still got 300 calories of cardio to do today. And then, on top of the workout, then I'll figure out something else from there. So, see you in a bit. Yo, 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 team. Gym's done. Headed home. Man, I really need to, not do the 300 calories of cardio on leg days. So, I'm supposed to do it 3 times a week. I go to the gym 5 times a week, and 2 of those are leg days. So I think all the other days will be my 300 calories in cardio. Because it's too much. I can't walk the next day. I didn't even stretch. I got here at around 3:30 and it's 5:45 right now. I really don't like the 2-hour gym sessions either. But oh, somebody just got pulled over. Oh boy, pulled over. Amateur Jeep driver. Safety first, always. Yeah. So we are gonna head home. Figure something else out. I'm probably not gonna do any handstands today because my shoulders hurt. I think that's a valid reason. And yeah, I can practice more, but who knows how much it's gonna actually make a difference. However, always continue to try and level up your skills in any aspect. I have to go get blueberries. I forgot. I just remembered. We're headed to get blueberries. We're not going home yet. I ran out today. So I need a whole bunch more. Gonna do that. I'll see you there. They're $5 a package here, which is kind of unfortunate because they're $4 at Market Basket. At least they were last week when I went. However, it was buy 2, get 1 free. So I got 3 for $10, which is like $3.30. So it was a good, definitely a good choice coming here because number 1, it's on the way home, and number 2, it was cheaper. We like savings. We like leveling up. Blueberries are okay. We like them a little bit. Don't back into my car. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Let's go home. Okay, guys. Made it home. I'd like to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what I do when I get home from the gym. So, I grab my trusty scale because we're measuring everything out. Place her down. I pretty much use the same bowl every day because it doesn't ever get dirty. I mean, I'll rinse it out, but we throw that on there, zero it out, and we got our bag of almonds. The bag they came in ripped, so I had to put them in this one. And we attempt to get as close to 25 as possible in the first handful. Oh, okay, that's 24. No. Alright, I dropped one. It's under the center island. It's gone forever. I don't know what to tell you. Why does this keep changing? Perfect. Alright, let me grab the one that's on the floor. Okay. I said I was out of blueberries. That wasn't entirely true. I did have one package of 40 grams left. So that is, we add that in with the almonds. Boom. Throw that bag away. Close up the almonds. Next, I gotta measure out, what is it? 20 grams of honey. Let's put you guys over here somewhere. Let's move some stuff around. Oh, you're gonna fall. Don't fall, okay? You stay right there. Get the trusty tablespoon. This thing is so old, but it still works. Zero that out. We get our honey. Sometimes it's real tough to open. Okay. What are we doing here? Why am I so tall? No. And we get as close to 20 as possible in the first scoop. I've only ever gotten it done one time in the last, month. I've only gotten it perfect once. $18. $21. Unbelievable. Perfect. We do that, then I have to wash my shaker cup because I only have one. So let me do that real fast. Perfect. My diet plan, I could blend all this stuff together, except minus the almonds. However, this is the protein powder that I'm currently using. ISO 100 Cocoa Pebbles. It doesn't taste like Cocoa Pebbles. It's got I guess it might. It tastes more like the milk that gets chocolatey afterwards rather than the cereal itself. Because I'd much rather it taste like the cereal itself. So this one's almost empty. It's got another couple days in it. And then I bought a Fruity Pebble one to try out next. Here, plain. And I need 28 grams of this. So usually a full scoop is 32, but I have been told by the meal plan that I am to have 28. Oh, I know. Perfect scoop. Perfect. You can just trust me on that one. And lastly, as always, creatine. And this is just 1 scoop, 5 grams. And there we go. That is meal number 4. If I eat all this, it's meal number 4 of my 5 today. It's not very filling. I do get hungry in about an hour and a half. But it's a good thing that I'm going to bed relatively early. So that is, I think that's the video today. I got a bunch of dishes I gotta do. However, that's a root beer float. I wish I could have one of those. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the update video and Saturday skill day. We'll see ya. Peace.